What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? It's just Skinny Boy Randy coming back to you with part 2 of the raised bed. Okay, you guys, we did a cheap raised bed using some boards that we found. And you guys, I meant to put this cardboard under it, but I didn't. But it's okay, okay? We didn't do it, we didn't do it. So, but this is tall enough, so if we have to pick some weeds out here and there, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, you guys, I hope you're having a great, blessed, growing, and prosperous day, you guys. If you're new to my channel, click like and subscribe. Don't forget to share the video, click the bell, and you'll get a video every time I share one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we're going to plant some butter crunch lettuce. Now, this is my free seed packet that came from Baker Creek. You can go to rareseeds.com and find these. But this was the free pack that they gave me just for ordering, and I appreciate that. Thank you, Baker Creek. And this is our raised bed. Okay. And what I'm going to do is plant these seeds. They're cold tolerant. They can probably withstand what's going on. As you can see, it's February 16, what, today? 16, 17? One of them. You know how I do. We just love the garden. So what I'm going to do is take one of our Dollar Tree bags of seed starter mix, and this is regular soil, you guys, right here. This is regular soil that came from seed starting mix that we didn't use, things that didn't work out. It has some time release fertilizer in it. Yeah, but we're also going to take this bag just to give it a boost. A bag of seed starting mix, right? This is our experiment, you guys. This is our garden. We can do what we want to do, right? Let's take this and put it in our raised bed. It can't hurt, right? It should only help. Yes, let's put all this in our raised bed and mix it up. Yeah, just mix it up. You guys, we did that raised bed, right? We did that. First time. I mean, you know, we grow stuff, but, you know, like actually doing it in a raised bed, like tight, like look at the soil, how thick and great it is already, and it's gonna be to whatever we put in here. This may be the start of our garden for this year, y'all. With this bed may not go anywhere. Matter of fact, I don't think it's gonna go anywhere, so I'm gonna have to build around it. I may have a lot of raised beds this year, you never know. We're gonna have our regular garden too, then, you know. We got, you know, little space. Thank God for the space. Hallelujah. So we're just gonna mix all this together. So we mixed our soil starting mix in there, and there you go, y'all. Y'all see that? Look how good that soil is. Okay. So we're gonna plant a cold weather crop, like some lettuce. Now, an easy way to do it is take you something like anything flat. Matter of fact, let's use the cardboard that we didn't use, okay? And we're just gonna make some lines. We're gonna go straight down, just like that. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you guys see that? We made 4 lines. And these are our rows. See? These are our rows for our lettuce. Okay? I'll put the camera back up, you guys. Sorry. Now, we're just going to take our lettuce. Butter crunch. They should sprout within 7 to 10 days according to the packet. And these are very small seeds, you guys. See? Very small. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our seeds, you know, take a pinch full and just go down the row. Yes, like that. Okay. Plant extra. And go down your row. Yep. Just like that, y'all. Take your seeds and go down the row. And you can plant more than enough. You can plant more than enough. Because why? This is our raised bed, you guys. This is our garden. We can do what we want to do. Then I'm going to take these last little bit right there. I'm just going to sprinkle. Sprinkle and clap my hands. Sprinkle and clap my hands and thank the Lord for growth in advance. Just sprinkle all over, okay? That's all we're going to do. And that's our butter crunch lettuce, you guys. It's Skinny Boy Randy. I love you guys. You're the best. Thanks for being here. Now, just take your hand and smooth everything out. Just smooth it out like so. Just smooth it right on over. Just like that. Alright, you guys, so you're going to keep following, and I'm going to keep you up to date. So now what we're going to do, we're going to water it. Just take your water hose and water it. Okay? Just like that. And there you have it. Butter crunch lettuce planted on February the, today is the 17th. I'm sorry, you guys. February 17th. So this is our butter crunch lettuce. It's in the middle of February, you guys. The weather is all crazy. I'm crazy. I don't even know what month it is. So thank you for watching. Click, like, and subscribe. Share the video. I love you guys. You're the best. It's just Skinny Boy Randy doing a raised bed with some butter crunch lettuce. I love you guys. You're the best. Oh, Lord, I hope it wasn't upside down.